Oh, this one, crowd control barrier. Crowd control barrier also referred to as crowd control barricade, pedestrian barricade, are commonly used at many public events. They are frequently visible at sporting events, parades, political rallies, demonstrations, and outdoor festivals. Event organizers, venue managers, and security personnel use barricades as part of their crowd control management planning. Crowd control barrier was originated in France approximately 50 years ago and now widely used around the world. Now let's take a look at this small prototype. This barrier. This barrier is walled from pre-galvanized steel tube. Other surfaces like galvanized after welding, galvanized and then powder-coated color also available. It consists of two parts, the barrier panel and the fit. It's a portable flat fit. Different ways the temperatures, the frame structure of barrier with two round corners on top. That is the frame tube made from one-piece steel tube. And then a weld horizontal tube on bottom part. Here. Frame and bottom tube. And the frame and the bottom tube size are the same. For this sample, it's 32 mm outer diameter. Here, the outer diameter is 32 mm. Tube with outer diameter like 25 mm or 38 mm can be customized as well. After the frame structure being welded, we'll weld vertical tubes, which is called infill pickets, onto the barrier panel. Tube outer diameter of picket is 20 mm. Other popular tube outer diameter like 12 mm and 16 mm also available. Sometimes the infill picket could be steel rod instead of steel tube. Well, it quite depends on our client's requirements. Picket net spacing. This part, the space of this part, usually vary from 100 mm to 200 mm. For this one, it's let me show closer. But this one is 110 mm. This part. All the infill pickets will be 360-degree welded to the frame. Let me show the welds closely. All the welding slags will be cleaned and then painted with cold zinc to protect the welds from rusting. As you can see, here we have one pair of hook and eye welded on the barrier. Hook is made from steel rod and the eye made from steel plate. This is called eye, this is called hook. We'll just put the hook into another barrier's eye so two barrier panels can be connected together. Just like the hook into the another's eye here. Of course, only hook and eye are not enough. Barrier cannot be self-supporting. Now let's come to the feet. Every barrier panel will have two feet. The panel frame here will insert into the upright tubes on the feet. These upright tubes. There are holes on barrier panels, frame tube, and the feet upright. Here you can see a hole here and a hole here. Yes. After we put the barrier on top of the feet, okay, now we put the barrier panel on the feet. You can see they're self-standing. After this part finished, we'll use bolt to go through the holes here.
这个，
你自己拿。
对，拿这个，这个给我吧。
他可以弄开一个，然后今天展示一下，把那个洗开。Get a bolt and a pin.
拿手套帮我弄。来，你先按。
Get a bolt and another pin. 来，给我吧。Here, we insert the bolt into the 2 holes here. This 这个好像卡住了。那就是这个，这个不好换，就这样吧，不弄这个了。
看我这个。
Here. So
说这个吧。
不弄了这个。Here. So put a bolt and a pin on another side. So people can just disassemble the barrier by just picking up. You see, the barrier panel and feet together.
Yeah, together.
Now the installation finished. What we showed here is just a flat feet. Here, the feet is flat, so it called flat feet. Other feet types like bridge feet or cross feet can work on the barrier panel too. Bridge feet is removable, just like this one, flat feet, and the cross feet will weld on the bottom of the barrier panel. Here, the cross feet will weld on the bottom of this tube. Just so with the cross feet, just needed to connect 2 panels together by hook and eye.